guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Golden Cooler from Dragon Ball Heroes. I mean Super Dragon Ball Heroes, my mistake. If you must know, Cooler was on the good guys team for a change. Wanna know why? I think it was the way he was dressed as. And during the episode he realized something. If his brother was capable of turning into gold, then so can he. And so he did. He transformed into Golden Cooler, the ultimate weapon. To be honest, Golden Cooler is possibly one of my favorites. And to draw him, it's kind of like how... To draw him, it's kind of like a rep to how... Alexa, can you lower that, please? It's kind of like a... okay. Okay, I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyways, let's keep drawing. Okay, to draw him... Drawing him, it's... Oh yeah, now I remember. Drawing him, it's kind of like drawing the regular Cooler, except he's more golden formed. Pretty awesome, don't you think, kids? Okay,
Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll trust the valor you've got inside.
here's another known fact. Instead of drawing lines on his mask, we just draw it the normal way. Blank. Completely blank.
Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam. We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam. Light burst from all the string, let's get sparking. First we're getting close, then we
There's just
winning in the rut, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, set is set through the universe, and it's stress. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the
okay, next up, here's his chest. Drawing him, it's kind of like drawing the regular Cooler. I mean, you've seen me draw Cooler in a previous video, right? If you guys don't know what the regular Cooler is like, be sure to, you could go to that video if you want. It'll show you how to draw the regular Cooler. And, also, I've heard that Golden Cooler, he's gonna be on Dragon Ball FighterZ. At least, that's a rumor. I wonder if Cooler can actually be in the actual Dragon Ball FighterZ game. Much like FRIEZA, who has a golden form, I just wish Cooler can have that form as well. His robotic form, Metal Cooler, was also capable of achieving that goal. Makes me wonder if every one of his species can do that, including King Cold.
first we're getting close, then we flash. Winning in the rut, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, set is set through the universe, and it stretches. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of a cause one that nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
And, here's his hand.
Kai?
Yeah, Dad?
You're gonna have to leave in a few minutes, alright, buddy?
Sure, just let me finish this up. Sorry about that, you guys. I just need to take... My dad and I have to drive my mom all the way to the dentist. Anyways, we're almost done here. Okay, next thing you gotta do you just gotta draw his tail here. Make sure at the pointy bit on the top of his head. Here. Next up, here's the there we go. One second, and there's his hand. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's his leg. And done. That is how you draw a metal cooler. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? I feel like the eyes should be bigger. And yeah, there it is. So, pretty amazing. Since he's golden, let me just write his name here. Okay, you must know, Golden Cooler was seen in a few episodes, but when he was chasing after the main villain, he got sent into a abyss. Truth be told, I don't know when he's gonna return, but I'm sure he'll return as a good guy, unless he was actually Metal Cooler. Well, I think that's about it for now. I just gotta get to the dentist real quick. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to let me know what kind of character I'll draw you guys next. I'm still taking requests. Any requests, guys? Well, anyways, this is Golden Cooler signing off. Bye.